Hello everyone. Welcome to back my channel. When I first saw this car, it looked completely finished. Rust everywhere, broken parts, and left unused for years. Most people would just walk away, but I saw something different. Everyone told me the same thing, it's not worth fixing, but I kept thinking, what if it is? What if this car just needs a second chance? So I made a decision. I bought the car, not because it was easy, but because I wanted to bring it back to life. The condition was really bad. The body was full of rust, the engine wasn't working properly, and the interior was almost destroyed. This wasn't just a repair, it was a full rebuild. We started by removing all the rusted parts, cutting, welding, and rebuilding the structure piece by piece. This part took time, patience, and a lot of effort. Next came the heart of the car, the engine. We replaced damaged parts, fixed what we could, and slowly, it started coming back to life. Once the body was ready, it was time for paint. A fresh new color completely changed the look of the car. We also worked on the interior, new seats, cleaning, and finishing touches. Every detail mattered to make it feel like a brand new car again. And here it is, from a rusted, abandoned car to something truly amazing. This transformation shows what's possible with effort and passion. I took a closer look, and the condition was even worse than I expected. The rust had eaten through multiple parts of the body. The tires were completely worn out. The interior was almost destroyed, and the engine, it wasn't even running properly. Everyone around me kept saying the same thing, this is a waste of time and money, but I didn't listen. I asked myself one simple question. What if I try? What if I give this car a second chance? So without overthinking it too much, I made the decision. I bought the car, not because it was easy, but because I love challenges. And this one was going to be a big one. The first step was dealing with the rust. We had to cut out all the damaged metal parts. Some areas were so bad that they completely fell apart during the process. After removing the rust, we started rebuilding the structure using fresh metal, welding everything back together carefully, making sure the body becomes strong again. This part alone took a lot of time and patience. Next, we moved on to the mechanical side. The engine needed serious attention. We opened it up, cleaned every part, replaced the damaged components, and slowly started putting everything back together. It wasn't easy, but step by step, the engine started showing signs of life again. Once the main structure and engine were ready, it was time to focus on the look. We smoothed out the body, fixed the dents, and prepared everything for painting. At this stage, you could already see the transformation starting to happen. And then came one of the most satisfying parts, painting. A fresh coat of paint completely changed the car's appearance. From dull and rusty to clean and shiny. This is where the car really started to feel alive again. After that, we worked on the interior. New seat covers, cleaning, small fixes, and finishing touches. Every detail mattered. We wanted this car to feel brand new from the inside as well. We didn't stop there. The interior needed love too. New seats, cleaning, finishing touches. Every detail mattered. Because painting is just one part of the transformation. What really makes the car perfect is everything that comes after. First, we carefully polished the entire body, removing any small imperfections, making the surface smooth and glossy. This step is important because it brings out the true beauty of the paint. Look how I am setting up the new engine, and you can also set it up. This is the best engine that can be used in this car. If you use it in your car, it will be very durable and have a lot of speed. Now see how the engine is supplying oil. The engine is in good condition without oil, and the parts inside the engine are not damaged, so that the engine is in good condition. Use oil properly. And the seats in front, then the mechanical systems that work digitally, and the steering wheels that are installed properly so that everything works perfectly. And the doors that are inside and outside the door must be properly completed, and everything that needs to be coated on the door must be properly installed. Look, our car is complete, and its final look is how the car drives. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe for more amazing projects like this. Thanks for watching.